Let's learn distance formula in the series of coordinate geometry in just few simple steps. So suppose I want to find the distance between these 2 points. The coordinates of this point is 2, 3 and the coordinate of this point is 5, 6. Distance formula is nothing but the application of the Pythagorean theorem. And we know that Pythagorean theorem is a square plus b square is equal to c square, where if this is a right angle triangle, then this is a, this is b, and this c is the hypotenuse. Now my 2 points are 2, 3 and 5, 6. Let's name the points as x1, y1, and this is x2 and y2. So I need to find the distance between these 2 points. Let's join these 2 points. So I know it's not that straight, bear with me. So I need to find this distance. So let's form a right angle triangle with these 2 points and this line. So I can draw one line over here and one over here. So you can see that now this is our right angle triangle, and of course this is 90 degree. Now in order to find if this is 90 degree, of course this line is the hypotenuse, means this is c, hypotenuse. In order to find the hypotenuse, I need to know the horizontal distance and the vertical distance. What is the horizontal distance? Okay, just look at this. Is this 2? And what is this? Is this 5? So if this is 5 and this is 2, then this horizontal distance is nothing but 5, take away 2, 3 units. You can see it is 1, 2, and 3. So it is 3 units. So how I got this 3 units? I just subtracted this 5, which was actually x2, and this 2, which was actually x1. So I got the horizontal distance as x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 2 is 3 units. How will I get my vertical distance? So if this is y2, this 6 is y2, and this is y1. So this is 6, and what is this point? This is 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So you can see over here, this is 6, of course, and this is 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 units. So I got this vertical distance as y2 minus y1. Once I have this horizontal distance and this vertical distance, that means I have this A as 3 and B also as 3. Okay, let me change the color. So A3 and B3. Can I get C? Of course I can get C. How will I get C? A square plus B square. That means I will get 3 square plus 3 square is equal to C square. And 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9 is C square. So 9 plus 9 is 18 and my value of C is root 18. Okay, so in the terms of x1, y1 and x2, y2, if this distance is x2 minus x1 and this vertical distance is y2 minus y1, what will be this hypotenuse? Will this be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square? This is what we did just over here. I did 3 square. 3 square means x2 minus x1 whole square plus what was this 3? Y2 minus y1 whole square, and that is what the distance formula is. Okay, so let me change the slide. So if you have like 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, and you want to find the distance between these 2 points, then the distance is always given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and that is what the distance formula is. Take an example. Suppose my points are 3 comma 5 and my next point is 7 comma 11. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So the distance is given by x2 minus x1. So 7 minus 3 whole square plus 11 minus 5 whole square, and 7 minus 3 is 4, so 4 square. 11 minus 5 is 6, 6 square. 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, and 16 plus 36 is 52. So square root of 52 is the distance between these 2 points, and you can find root 52 further if you want to, or this root 52 units is also the correct answer. So this is the way we find the distance between any 2 points using distance formula. So that was all. And in my next video, I will be finding the distance of any point from the origin. So bye bye. See you in the next one.